Back. I'm Liz Baker from Liz Baker Fine Art Photography. In the previous video we just started to fix a photo that was shot with the light behind of this urn of flowers on the window ledge. So we had these two photos here, and this one on the left was a little bit underexposed and this one on the right was really overblown behind, but now you can see they look fairly similar. My preference was for this one that was a little more underexposed, because with digital photos, as I said, there is so much more you can do with them if they're underexposed. You've got information there that you can work with. When I'm shooting film, I'm going to overexpose, because that's how I get more information in the film. I get more light into the film, but digital is the opposite. So let's click on Edit here again, and let's just click on Adjust again and go back to those shadows. We can see we took them a long way up. So if I take them even higher, just pretty much the whole way, then I might want to put a little bit more black in. For my own part, because I like a nice punchy image and I like the black that comes with the film. So I'm going to, not that way, it's the opposite way. See, I mean, that rapidly is really black, so we only need the tiniest amount there, just on the black point, like 0.0, I can hardly even control it, 0.4, yeah, just to get that contrast. I would recommend using the black point to control your contrast rather than your contrast, because your contrast will sometimes affect the colours and be a little bit of a cruder instrument. You've got more control with the black and the shadows and the highlights. So maybe it's a little bit black for your taste there. Maybe we can bring the exposure up just a little overall. Maybe take the highlights down a bit. I mean, you can just mess about with all of these till you're happy. It's a very vibrant image. I would desaturate that just a little, just a tad. And but otherwise it's looking quite good. It's looking quite attractive. And I would probably happily leave it there for now.